Hey guys, it's your original girl Joanna Jadelia, and today I'm so excited to be back because today I'm going to be basically reviewing palette. Yes, I got myself a palette. Why? Don't worry about it. I just had to have this palette. So yeah, let's get into it. So the palette is going to be the Pretty All Set. I mainly got this palette because I wanted like colors and a black and a red, which I don't have in the palettes I have. So yeah, it's like a 3-in-1 kind of palette. Look how beautiful that is. So this is really getting to like, I'm so happy. I also did this look with this palette, but today I'm not going to be showing you guys this look with this palette. I'm going to be trying to use as many, sorry, I hope y'all don't hear that in the background, but I'm going to be trying to use as many shades in here to really pull a look so y'all really see how it is looking. Okay, I know y'all definitely hear that. So we have some fireworks going on. Oh, and I got to see them. Usually I really don't see. I don't think you're going to be able to see anymore. Look, I don't think there's any more. Anyways, sorry, why did I get so excited for fireworks? So I'm gonna go ahead and do some swatching. Okay, so that's a swatch I'm gonna do here. I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks on a base. So it's okay, I'm not mad at it. I'm proud that I got some color. Let you see this. Eyeshadows as you can to really bring a look, just so you get an idea of what you can do, how these look, and if you're buying this palette for like certain colors like I did, then you would know. So let's get into it. I've primed my eyes. This has my primer. This is the concealer. Okay, I think I'm gonna do a cut crease. And how I'm gonna do is put like the darker colors closer to the cut crease and then like lighter on top to kind of like blend it out. I want to start with like an orange. Just put that right above like my cut crease, or where my crease is. Pat that on. Okay, that pat on pretty nicely. Hold up, this palette is a lot of work, to be honest. So then basically the yellow is gonna go like a little bit on top of that. The next color will be like a peachish red, but I'm gonna go with the darker red so that we can put the brighter red on top, kind of blend. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, now looks a little bit. I'm making sure that I kind of put some of the red on the orange so that it looks like it can blend in. But you don't want to leave any space between. You get like this. I'm just gonna like kind of space through this and then insert the shades as we go, and if anything I'll come back and let y'all know what to do. Now is to blend it basically all up at once. Now, so I'm gonna go with my yellow and I'm gonna put that like right above my orange. So basically just the lighter color of the color below. So lighter color above. Okay, that looks a little bit more of a gradient. Yeah, definitely should have put like the orange, a little bit of the orange there. But moving on smartly, we're gonna go in with some paint. I have basically just done with the top. It's looking like something, not too sure yet what, but I'm just gonna try to like blend out some parts so they don't look too harsh. Then I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna do more green down here, but I just want to get a feel of how it's looking. Alright, cut crease is kind of like done somehow, and I'm going to do my whatchamacallit, Beyond shimmers. Here to go back with the orange. And I'm just gonna like brush that over slightly. I'm not packing it on because I want it to be kind of like faint. Right, now to come back to the greens. Now I'm gonna do underneath my eyes and with concealer just so that I can put more of the shades on here, and I'll be right back. But not too much. Yeah, that works. Right now I'm just passing it on. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do full face and everything and be back. Okay guys, so I am back with the finished look, finished face, did my lips, and yeah, this is what I decided to do, a little glitter to make it pop because the shimmer wasn't really shimmering for me. Now you can't really tell. Maybe if I move a little bit for the light. The colors are okay. I feel like with time they get a little bit dull. So a white base is probably the best if you really want that poppage, you know, if you really wanted to pop. I'm not really here for this green under eye, to be honest. I should have put more darker green here, but it's okay. So I did like a blue glitter into green, just because. And you know what, I like it. Maybe not really the look, like it could have been better, but you get the idea. Okay, yeah, I don't know, maybe it was the lighting that was not like getting me, but like daytime lighting and this look I'm liking even more. Like it might just be my camera, but yeah. So here's my finished look, guys. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. So I do rate it. This will probably be doing most of my looks. I really do like it a lot. Like, come on, like so cute. Like definitely the glitter eyeliner really makes it pop, but I do feel like you can still get some good looks with this palette once you really have a good base. If you're really looking for vibrancy and pigment, like really pigmented stuff. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you do try one of these, either my first look or this look, or just really try out the palette, you know, play around, have fun, and just do what you gotta do. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Bye.